Next recording, 4MD6, number 13, measure angles using a protractor. And that, folks, is a protractor. Let's go. I'm moving it up a little higher just so when we use this, you can see it very clearly. Select the measure in degrees. Remember, this little thing means degrees, this little dot. So you go of angle XYZ. Now it's not labeled, so let's label it. This is X, Y, Z. Okay? So the Y is always in the middle of the angle. The outside letters on the outside. So make sure you label it. Okay, so we have 25 degrees, 145 degrees, 35 degrees, 45 degrees. As before, let's draw this out. Take your protractor, make sure it's lined up directly, and then stretch it. Go down to the bottom side, take your protractor, stretch it. See how that pops out a little farther? Now, on your assessment, you are given this protractor, and by looking at this, 10, 20, 35. From here to here, that's 35 degrees. Wow, that's record time. That's 1 minute, 38 seconds. Now again, last year I had students choose this one, which they thought it was 145 degrees. This would be 145 degrees. 35 all the way over like this would be 145 degrees. So it's not that. And here's how we know we're right. If you take 145 plus 35, ones, tens, hundreds. Oh, can't even see that over there. Oops, let's try it again. I'll write it down here so you can see it right here. 100, when you move that camera, throws off sometimes. 145 degrees plus 35 degrees. Why am I doing this? Because this should equal 180 degrees. Remember, half of a circle is 180 degrees. Let's see if we can prove that. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 4. Start with bigger number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 180 degrees. Half circle. So in fact, when you are solving these problems, I always want you to figure out both. What's this angle and then what's the other angle to get to 180 degrees? Okay? Definitely not 25. 25 would be right here, so that's not there. And 45 degrees would be up there, are half of a right angle. So there it is. There's your answer. Let's draw it straight through. 35 from here to here. 35 degrees, and you can see it right there. It's in between 30 and 40. Let's see if we can really zoom in. Ooh. Not with that. There it is. Later. 3 minutes record time. Bye.